Ang dami pong nag-antay nitong bagong release ko ng food guide po. Bago na siya. Kung mapapansin ninyo, hindi na siya yung katulad nung dati na pahaba. Ganito na po siya. Mas madaling maintindihan, mas madaling i-follow yung steps na kailangan. Kasi meron na dyan, nakalagay step 1, step 2, step 3, so on, so forth. Yan yung go section natin. Dito yung ating pause, and then yung ating stop sections are here. A lot of you are asking about yung low-carb Mediterranean, which is, something that I've talked about after many years of experience dito nga sa ating low-carb lifestyle. Talagang kinakailangan na yung pagbabago in a way that will help you doon sa sustainability ng inyong gagawin. Many of you are long-term followers na dito. Many of you have experienced the same challenges na na-experience din ng iba, yung pag-yoyo, yung plateau, even with the low carb, yung iba nadapa ulit ng dapang-dapa na hindi na nakabangon. So this is really the key to sustainability. It's not just about yung initial po ninyo na pag-reverse ng mga medical condition. The question is, and the most important question is, paano nga ba ninyo masustain,